And we're joined by Krishna Rajendra Neely. He's the project director of the AMCA. Thank you very much, Mr. Neely, for being with us. Now, the advanced medium combat aircraft from the Aeronautical Development Agency, Bengaluru. Now, how does this addition of Aero India position India's self-reliance in air power?
Very good evening. And it's thank you for hosting me on this
no problem,
program. And it's my privilege to speak here about the Aero India and particularly to the on the AMCA program.
Right.
And Aero India is a biannual international event where to showcase essentially the Indian defense manufacturing capabilities across the country, what we wanted to display it. And today, in the 15th edition of this Aero India, from Aeronautical Development Agency, we have demonstrated the full-scale engineering model of the advanced medium combat aircraft. And this is the project as a nation's very prestigious and important project for the nation, for the Indian Air Force, which the Aeronautical Development Agency is the design house. And with the help of the various industries, we wanted to develop this particular aircraft. So Aero India helps for us to establish a strong supply chain in the country, because the advanced medium combat aircraft, the design is completely indigenous.
Okay.
And this is 100% indigenous design, and we are not depending on any foreign aircraft houses. Then we wanted to develop this fully in the country with the help of various industries and then the ecosystem that we have established in this country.
Right.
This Aero India will help us to connect to various large scale, medium scale and small scale industries, because for the fighter aircraft development, a good ecosystem has to be developed.
Absolutely.
Through the light combat aircraft program, we have developed a good ecosystem for the fighter aircraft development in the country.
Indeed.
We wanted to leverage that supply chain and take it forward by integrating more number of the MSMEs, SMEs and the Tier 1 suppliers, along with that the various startups. And this is a platform where we can be able to interact with them and identify the new potential people who can be able to support this program.
Yes, Mr. Neely, let's try and unpack some of what you said now. How advanced are India's stealth capabilities?
Yes. See, stealth capabilities per se, if you see, first one is the airframe shaping. As far as the airframe shaping is concerned, it is entirely different from the conventional 4th generation fighter aircrafts. It is exclusively designed to give the low radar cross-section signature. This is one aspect. The second aspect, important aspect to achieve the stealth is the diverterless supersonic intake.
Okay.
And all antennas have to be, that means diverterless supersonic intake will help not to show the engine face to the radar. This is one technology. The second thing is the conformal antennas. All antennas, if you see any of the conventional aircraft, all antennas will be protruding from the surface. So all antennas became conformal. This is a good development that we have developed, and then the technology readiness levels are very high. And shaping conformal antennas and diverterless supersonic intake, and the most important another technology is the internal weapon bay. As a stealth platform, the weapons have to be carried internally to get the stealth feature.
Indeed.
For which we have developed a good internal weapon bay. And the radar absorbing materials, these materials, none of the international material houses or the foreign OEMs will give it. We have to develop indigenously with the help of the DRDO labs and then CSIR labs. We have developed it indigenously, and various components of this particular aircraft have been fabricated with these materials, and we have achieved very high level technology readiness levels in this. So,
yes, Mr. Neely, also, how long is it going to take for the AMCA to move from prototype to being operationalized? I think 2027 seems to be the target year. But, this is this field there's competition all around, and we know that, the threat perception from our enemies looks like they are already into talking about sixth generation, and this is a fifth generation aircraft.
Yes. See, as far as the timelines are concerned, I would like to inform to the nation that April 2024, we have received the government approval, for the full-scale engineering development of this program. The duration of this program is around 10 years. As we have indicated, the first prototype is slated to be rolled out towards the end of the 2027, and by mid or towards the end of the 2028, we will fly this particular aircraft. And the important feature is that this is a twin engine aircraft, whereas the light combat aircraft is a single engine aircraft, which we have mastered. For the twin engine aircraft, that too for the stealth airframe, yes, we require time, and certainly by the in 2028, we will ensure that this particular aircraft touches the skies.
Mr. Neely, also the Air Chief Marshal AP Singh recently commented that, the Tejas timelines are not being met. So at an event like this, for instance, what are the best practices that can be exchanged with foreign vendors?
See, as far as the timelines and then the production, this thing is concerned, the production agency for the LCA is the HAL. And for the AMCA, that is the reason, keeping these points in the mind, the Government of India has set a target while giving the approval to us. Honorable Prime Minister himself has put the little targets for us, telling that the more number of industries, see, unless until we engage with the industry, the efficiencies of the industries will not come into the program.
Right.
That is the reason, instead of going for a conventional way of program execution, we wanted to, government has mandated for us to develop through an industrial partnership execution model. So this model, with this, the operational efficiencies and then the decision-making abilities from the industries, we wanted to integrate it. Yes, I fully agree with our Chief of Air Staff that there is a concern on the aircraft availability for them, and we would ensure that by integrating, unless until we integrate more number of industries into the aircraft development program, we will not be able to meet the timelines. Indeed. So our endeavor is to integrate more number of industries as a partners. Those who involve in the development will be continued for the production, so that the development to the production, we will not, put our extra efforts. A seamless
Indeed.
transfer, we wanted to do it from prototype to the production.
So I understand that you are an expert on the AMCA, but combat UAVs, attack drones, what strengths has India developed in these areas?
Yes, certainly is being developed, but if you can excuse me, I just...
Okay, fair enough. Okay, a final question, sir, also about the supply chain ecosystem. How much of the private sector is involved in the defense aviation?
See, in fact, for the full-scale engineering model, what we have displayed, it is not a display model, it's an engineering model. The complete supply chain is 100% from the industry. Okay. As far as the design is concerned, industry's participation is less, but detail engineering part is we are going to involve industry in a larger way, and we would ensure that the prototype manufacturing 100% will be done by the industry.
Okay, we leave it there. Thank you very much, Mr. Krishna Rajendra Neely, Project Director of AMCA. Thank you very much for joining us and explaining to us the timelines as well as the quality of this prototype that has been developed. Thank you, sir.